Specific Medical Solutions is proud to announce the launch of the PCA button pump, introducing to hospitals an affordable, reliable and CE marked PCA pump approved by Discovery Health. This PCA pump reduces the hassles experienced by the hospital staff as well as the patient. Here we have the PCA pump in its packaging, sterilized and ready for use. We will now explain how to use this device. Firstly, remove the device from its packaging. Something that's a real pleasure for the anaesthetist is that the pump is fully assembled and ready for use. Other PCA pumps require assembly, which takes time to put all the components together. Once out of its packaging, the tape is removed from the IV line or IV tubing, and we then simply unscrew the lid from the valve to connect a syringe. The syringe contains the pain relief medication and is ready to be infused. We connect the syringe to the valve and press the plunger to infuse the contents. The medication will fill up the reservoir and travel down the IV tubing through the button to the very end of the IV tube. In less than 2 minutes, the medication will pass through the button to the end of the IV line. As you can see, the fluid is traveling down the IV line on its way to the end of the tube. This medication has been predetermined by the anaesthetist. At this point, when the medication has reached the end of the tube, the anaesthetist can remove the plastic cover on the button, which bears the capital letter F. By sliding this cover off, the lockout mechanism activates immediately. This means from this point onward, the patient cannot administer more than 1 milliliter every 8 minutes. This button pump can be refilled very easily by opening the valve on the IV line and injecting more medication. This is an advantage over other pumps which need to be broken open to refill them.